plane here, not today, however, but we are still looking forward to the summer here. The spring is over now, I think, and the summer is coming in. I really hope we got the same summer as last year, Martin, over.
QSL, Roger. Hopefully there, as we say, it can only get better. It can only get better now. Hopefully the WX should pick up very soon there, Roger. Hopefully should pick up. But we just called in there to say hello to you. We just called in to say hello. I recognised the call and said I have not spoke to that man in quite a long time. So just wondering, what is my report, Roger? How are you receiving us from the mobile? Over.
Yeah, 048 294. Yeah, sorry, Martin. Yeah, you are blowing smoke over here, I can tell you that. You're peaking the red area in my instrument, over.
Yeah, QSL, Roger. Likewise, sir. Likewise, my friend. Different radio. The last time we spoke, I think I used ICOM. At the moment, we're running Kenwood. Tango Sugar 480. 480 Kenwood at the moment in the car, Roger, and about 140, maybe 150 watts out, Roger, and mobile antenna still President Colorado on the magnetic base, Roger, over.
Okay. Yeah, okay, 480, TS480 in the car, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's fantastic, Martin. Yeah, I will be surprised every day. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I certainly sure about you have room for it there. Okay, Martin, I appreciate very much you are coming back to my station. I really hope we can make it again. It seems to open up to your area now. I'm looking forward to that. It's been very, very quiet near now for a long time. I think we don't spoke to each other, I think it was last year, yeah. But okay, yeah, it has been a good propagation here into my station anyway. Fantastic propagation to the South Pacific and North America. Yeah, almost the whole world there, Martin. But now it's going down. It will be a short skip, open up to Mediterranean countries, very strong, and UK coming in also very strong. But that is a nice area. Thank you, Martin, for the contact. Drive carefully out there. See you soon. Cross my beam, Martin, when you hear me. Promise me that. 68 World Radio 048, 21 World Radio 294 is clear, over.
Okay, Roger. Always a pleasure, my friend. Hopefully it won't be as long there till we cross paths again. In the meantime there, you have a good day. Good luck, good DX, and most important, good health there, my friend. Okay, 21 World Radio 294, 68 World Radio 048 in the mobile. Bye-bye, Roger.
Roger on that, Martin. Bye-bye. 21 World Radio 294, QRZ.